After that, the level inside this will change to high. After
And
that,
then you
then
will get-
standby will change over standby.
We have standby, so no problem. We are happy. Standby provision is there, so we can say standby provision. And this is batch operation, so no problem, right? The batch operation, right?
No, it is continuous.
Continuous.
running the machine.
No, flushing is continuous.
No.
Batch, no.
When your
Yeah.
screw starts,
Batch cleaning.
flushing will done.
Be it batch cleaning, right? And of course, you have good SOP. Everything will come to know. So I don't want to miss any critical thing because this is well designed, but at the same time, yeah. That you consider.
When screen phase something happened, level will increase. As it will go up, it will give the alarm and switch over to standby.
The note they provided. Note they written, but
Yeah, it is there.
yeah, it's written this.
It is there.
Yeah. Okay. Now question is. Okay. Now question is this SG 701A and 701B. They are running together or standby?
No, they are standby.
Standby. Yeah.
Is the-
Two separate.
two
Yeah.
separate.
ESG 701A.
No, he is talking about this drum screen.
Talking about this one,
In stock,
this pen stock.
When so
I not standby.
it is not standby. This one is not
It
standby.
is not standby. So if one is closed, is it manual or is it manual? The same thing. Manual valve. So potential value